You know better than anyone else that real estate sales is a highly competitive business, and especially in this market, you need every advantage you can get. So how do you plan on setting yourself apart from your competition in the eyes of the average home buyer to promote not just your property, but your own services? Fact: more than 70% of home buyers always perform a drive-by tour before scheduling an actual visit. So how would you grab their attention? What would you want them to see? How would you make sure they have all the important information to move them closer to a buying decision? And how would you like to ensure that they have all that information available instantly, without delay, right on their smartphone, iPad, or any other mobile device while they're still driving alongside your property? Imagine this: a buyer driving along looking for homes for sale spots a bright yellow sticker on the for sale sign, parks alongside the property, and right there on their smartphone is a professionally created video presentation showing off the inside of the home, complete with a professional voiceover description and possibly even a view of the surroundings with information on nearby transit, shopping, schools, and other facilities. The video ends with your contact details and even a way to save this information on their mobile device for future reference. And not just information on the property and your contact details, you can even throw in a strong promotional plug on your unique services. Now, if that doesn't set you above your competition, nothing else will. And the best part? All this is made possible for just pennies a day using our little magic box, which sits inside your seller's home, without the need of any internet connection whatsoever, just our Wi-Fi. So do yourself a favor, have a quick look at our video on the How It Works page on this site, or better yet, just give us a call and we'll demo it in person for free. No strings attached.